Hello everyone, I am Samadip Singh and I am Social Studies teacher at Modern International School. Today we will learn about the Indian Constitution. First of all, we will find out that what is the need for the law. The first advantage or the first the need for law is that it avoid all type of conflict and chaos. In society, when people live, there will be many type of disputes and conflict. So with the help of law, you can resolve these disputes and you can avoid these disputes as well as. So the first need of the law is this. The second benefit or the need for law is it ensures safety. It ensures safety of human life. It ensures safety of human property. So all these safety measures are ensured when there is a law. If there will be no law, there will be no safety measures. Number 3, that is the equal treatment. When there will be a law, people will have equal treatment because everybody bound to the law will have to follow that law and it will be applicable to everyone. So there will be equality as far as the law binding citizens are concerned. Third, the next benefit is it prevents concentration of power. When power is in few hands, there is a possibility that it will be misused. So when there will be a law, there will be a less chance that there will be a concentration of power into few hands. The last but not the least, it avoids unfair practices. Law ensures that there should be no unfair practices, whether it is a social or in society, whether it is economical, in any business or in any other activity. So these are the reasons for the need of law. Now we talk about the Constitution. What do you mean by Constitution? So Constitution are the set of fundamental rules. These are the fundamental rules on which basis government run the countries, our citizens are governed. So it gives you rights and duties of the citizen and it also shows the power of the government and the responsibility of the government. Now we come to the Indian Constitution. You will be surprised to know that Indian Constitution is among the longest constitution of the world. It had 448 articles, 12 schedule and 115 amendment. When it is written in English, it had 1,17,369 words in English. It is started, the debate for the Constitution started on 11 December 1946. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the chairman of Constitution Committee. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is elected as the chairman for the drafting committee, and from 26 November 1946 to 26 November 1949 the Constitution's drafting was completed and it is now accepted on 26 January 1950, on which day we celebrate our Republic Day. One more amazing fact that US Constitution is among the shortest constitution. It contains only 7 articles and 27 amendments. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.